Okay, this is our shotgun challenge. This is where we get an Arizona bottle, make a hole in the bottom, open, and see how fast we can drink it.
Cold outside.
There's some people on YouTube that say it's only supposed to be iced tea. Forget that. Get any kind of Arizona.
Yeah.
All right. Who starts off first?
Yeah.
No, I don't know.
Who has the timer?
Danny,
you got started.
I'm gonna start first.
Yeah.
You want me to keep the time too?
Yeah, good. Nah, we just leave it here.
No.
You might want to cut that out.
No,
We'll just cut that
I'm gonna cut that out. I'm gonna cut that out.
We just count, man. We're not timing better, right?
Anyways, the timer's on the. Alright, guys, this is the first time we try this, so if it fails, we fail the challenge.
It probably is gonna fail.
Just tell me when you're ready. You go,
I'm cold.
There's a jacket.
Oh,
That's good enough.
there. See the small hole? Alright.
Hey, but we have to be drinking
I know.
that.
I'm kind of late.
I have a white shirt. I don't want to ruin it.
Go.
Hey, you're dripping it.
Oh, he's not.
Alright.
I think that was a
Go,
fail.
Supposed to be less than 30 years old.
His cheek. It's gonna be out.
Recording right here.
How much?
How much time?
Oh, 28.
Let me see.
27.
It was 27, but I stopped early.
Oh,
It was 27.
that was cold. I think we should have gotten like a at temperature because
I don't know how to do
Now, Gio.
it was good.
Can you cut it for me? Cause I'm not.
Yeah, he's not good with sharp
Cut one right
knives.
there. Just cut like a doodle.
I want to do it.
Watch out, it's gonna burst on
Yeah,
you.
let me take this off.
Hey, adjust it so that when you open it, it's already clear.
Like that. That's it.
I'm gonna take this off.
Ah.
Oh my gosh, Gio.
27 ton.
27?
Yeah.
Bigger? How big?
I think I could have gone faster if it
Oh, a
wasn't that
little.
cold.
It's like a small
Like
size.
Like that.
No, it's coming out, Gio.
How do you do this?
There. No. They're drinking.
Drink it.
It's going out.
I'm holding it.
No, but you have to put it in your mouth.
I have
again.
uñas.
I know, that's
I know.
what
Just get it out a little bit. I don't have uñas.
Why you think it took me a while too?
Yeah, just hold it like this.
Start. It's coming out.
I got it. It's cold. I bring it up.
I know these things are like way too fun.
Wait, so
Okay,
I'll put it all
ready?
the way?
Yeah.
Open it all the way,
Put it in your mouth
mouth
and
has
then open it.
Go. Keep on going. Keep on going, Gio.
Go!
Gio.
You didn't even put the timer.
I don't even know. I can do this.
That was a fail.
Just go.
What the hell, baby?
He's gonna choke.
He did like 15 seconds doing the other stuff. Right?
Yeah, pretty much. Get closer so you can
Did
see.
you finish?
No, that's it.
Coughing and everything. It's not like it tastes nasty. It tastes good.
It tastes good.
It's Arizona.
You should put your glasses on. It would have been funny. It would have been funny if they failed. Such a
I came out of my nose.
That's a pretty nose. Fruit punch, fruity nose.
I'm done. I'm gonna drink it, mom.
I'm drinking it off.
You took like a minute, I guess. My turn.
It's difficult. Alright, wait, let me take time.
You took like a. You laugh.
Let's see if
Is
the
that
expert knows.
Yeah. still choking?
Oh, my zippers up. Hold on, don't.
What would you say?
Mom just give me the look like. No. You want to see my mom? No? Okay.
That fell all over me.
I felt it in my hair. Did you open it? Yeah.
Ready?
Oh, not yet.
Oh, you
Put your mouth on it first.
It's coming out.
Put your mouth on
Ready, set?
Hey, don't laugh, Joe.
it.
Ready,
Your hands get really dirty. What happened to my screen?
I'm telling you that he put all over it.
He got it all.
I need a bigger hole.
I can feel it, Daddy.
We don't even have time. 52. Okay. So, Tony, how did it feel?
He's not done.
It's-
Record him.
Yes, he is.
No, he's still going. Yeah? His time.
Oh.
Oh, he passed over 30 seconds, so he fell. So I'm the only one that passed the challenge.
You bitch.
Ew.
My bad, I'm sorry. Alright, so I did it 27
I'ma
seconds.
finish.
I did it 27 seconds. It was supposed to be in 30, so he didn't finish.
It's cold out here.
He did a minute and
I
5.
think it was too cold to do it.
I know. If y'all gonna do this, we recommend y'all to do it at temperature. Don't do a colder zone because
It's cold.
Feel my
other than it's cold here. Well,
Is this the one?
stay tuned for the next challenge.
How did it feel, you guys?
It was too cold. It was too cold.
I basically choked.